Sing that tune, Mr. Marlboro Man.
The battery is dead. Welcome back. We already welcomed y'all back a couple times, but the battery keeps dying.
Well, that ain't it, Bailey. What's got you?
Alright, y'all, that's what we're doing today. Gonna put this shit on the truck and learn.
What we doing today, Marlboro Man?
Woo! Yeah! Yeah! That was loud. Alright. Go! Let me explain to the people. We're gonna do these nice brackets we built. We're gonna put them on the truck, the bar.
They don't know what that is.
Well,
you gotta talk like there's new viewers. Sometimes we get a new viewer. This is a new video, new viewer. What you got?
We're working on the S10 today. Go ahead and let y'all know, like I'm letting Ed know, we are creating a snowball. Probably no more racing, y'all. It's gonna be a while.
What the hell are you talking about?
I'm talking about how we're getting ready to do some work to the truck and we're getting ready to build a snowball, so we're gonna have to do more work and the truck's gonna have to be torn down a little bit again.
For two more years.
Yeah. Shit, yeah, you can see it. They see it. That might have to go up more and more and more. We don't know yet.
Yeah, them brackets might be welded on upside down.
Because the way they did it, we copied them. If it's upside down, I blame it on them. So I was just watching what they did, and I thought they did something. Y'all, we're gonna have to change all that one day.
Is it for sale yet?
No, not yet. Trade it for a tractor.
What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing today?
We putting this pipe on there.
Just say something like, we're finishing the wishbone from last video.
Yeah. Well, that's what
We're continuing on from last video. We're creating a wishbone for the S10. Say something like that.
You
do it with
say,
excitement.
You could say that, and then I could be like, he's right. That's what we're doing. I'm gonna fire this Marlboro up and get these bikes up out of here. We're gonna move the truck around, move the bikes all around.
Oh yeah, we gotta open up Ed's Fab Shop, don't we? Take this bad boy over to Ed's Fab Shop.
How wide is that?
Ed's Fab Shop. We just simply putting in a wishbone.
Yeah, simply.
Just
we
go
just
simply
built 3 brackets last time.
Yeah.
And put 2 shocks on.
So if we built 3 whole brackets, we should be able to weld in 3 brackets and make the wishbone. You got your Marlboro?
I do.
All right, y'all. Went over here next door on the other side of the shop. It's Fab Shop. Now we got to get some measurements. We got to do some measuring. We don't know what we doing. But we doing it. We doing it. We got to put a bar.
We know what we doing.
Yeah, we got to put a bar from here to there.
Yeah, we know we got to do that. Now knowing what we doing. We know what we doing, but we don't know what we doing.
Yeah.
Take it like that, because that's what it is. Shit. We know a bar goes under here. We take it on down to 10 soldiers, ain't it?
Shit, over here's garage. Look at these wheels we put on here. Look like bubble gum holding this thing together.
They 10 soldiers, we metal soldiers. Hey.
Did you bring your bracket to see what you gonna have to do?
I didn't. I was out here building the beds for us not to get wet on.
Damn.
You come out here with a camera.
And you didn't get none of the brackets to measure from.
I just got everything.
What are you gonna measure?
Well, here we go, y'all.
And how do you know that's gonna be even with this one?
I don't know.
Yeah.
But the cameraman got his hands full, so I gotta get one set and then look at it.
Well, how you gonna get them measured?
Cause I'm gonna get yours on here. I could be the cameraman so they could just stare at you. Shit. Put the thing on there. I'm right here with you. Shit. We can pass it right around, just stare all in your grill the whole time you trying to do something.
Alright.
You all do straight now?
I don't know. That's what I was saying. How we gonna know?
Well, you got to just get it up there. Give it a look-see. Now, you just did the same thing I did a while ago.
A while ago? Is that one word?
Yeah, I guess. A while ago. I'm gonna do as best I can down here at his fab shop today.
Best I can?
Best I can with a crooked piece of metal.
Welcome to Best I Can Fab Shop.
Best I can. That's one word. Now yours is wrong.
Yours is wrong.
Mine looks more better than yours do.
Mine's always to the frame.
Always to the frame. Damn.
Yeah.
I am.
Yeah, let me stare at you.
Yeah, do that.
Was you even getting the shots?
I don't know.
You ain't even gonna put. Now we relying on some Harbor Freight jack stand.
We was
no
anyway. If I could push the sum, but
it was still sitting there. If it fell, it would have. That was a safety.
We'll jump out real quick.
Oh shit! All right.
If we do it like that, then the people don't know that we don't know, and we look professional. We don't talk about it, we just be about it. We smack that shit together.
All we need is a measurement right now.
Yeah, but you ain't got your freaking tape. You can run your damn mouth. I figured if you ain't gonna get the tape right there, give me the parts. I'll hold all of them. I'll put my legs over there.
That center? Hold on. Gotta hold the center.
How the hell am I supposed to know where exactly center? I mean, that's center enough.
Yeah. That's talking about me. Wow.
Well, you got a half hole?
Yeah.
Halfway and halfway?
Yeah.
You ain't doing that shit.
It's 34 right there.
You half-tailed it.
Yeah.
Now measure us.
It's 33 and a half.
For real?
Yeah.
Why the hell is that so much different?
You got it that way too far, so come this way a half inch. It's 33 and 3/4. 33 and 3/4.
So 33 and 3/4.
Yeah, we metal soldiers.
Then here's the metal soldiers at his fab shop on the other side of the garage.
What's the measurement?
You got them, didn't you?
Yeah, I got it. Let's go with it. Let's go with this.
Yeah,
You got it.
that's
You got
why.
all the information.
That's why I was laughing, because you said that we got to measure, and I started laughing and showed the people I already took my bracket loose.
Is it straight? Is it straight? Is it straight? Do you hear me? Straight as far as the fab shop table straight there.
Yeah, I was gonna say that damn table ain't straight at all. You done went off the edge, just around the edge. Did you add that number up right? This motherfucking table ain't straight. Here we are, people. Show the people. We got marks on the table.
We professionals down here at metal. What is it called?
This will go right here. This metal 10 soldiers.
Metal soldiers.
Metal, yeah. They 10 soldiers. We metal soldiers. Alright. Now we will get this built today. This will be built today.
Yeah.
This part of it.
Not on the truck. If you hurry up, why you sit down?
For a few Marlboros if you got them. Take you a little break, 3 minutes. Mine won't even take you long.
We don't need 3 minutes. Break's almost over. All right, that's enough.
Is too.
Put it out. Put it out. Time to go to work.
It's on the edge.
Put it out. Cigarette break's over with. We got work to do.
But I'm smoking over here.
We gotta get this thing done. You gonna tell him? You gonna tell them?
Nah, I'm over here at work. I'm ready to go.
You gotta tell them the update.
Wishbone.
People update! Ah!
Here it is. Now we got welded up.
We've done some very precise calculations and measurements.
Did you add that number up right? This motherfucking table ain't straight.
And I took the grinder and cooked them in there real good.
I was burning my hoodie up. I got little burn holes all, and you take care of that right here. The rubber.
What'd you call it?
It's the it's the grinder pad 3000.
Goes down and covers your nuts.
Yeah, no more sparks. Don't heat up with boys down there. You gotta take care of your boys, man.
You know, egg rod style. Looks a little crooked, but you know, we done a lot of measurement for it to come out crooked, but it'll probably happen.
It did work.
Ow! Damn, that was my finger again. Son of a bitch. I'm about to through my fingernail right into my finger.
That's all I got.
Damn. Where was you going?
I don't know where I was going.
You went all the way up the pipe.
I did.
Well, the crap.
That's why. Dang, why keep doing that?
Holy mackerel.
Here you gotta show the people.
Damn.
I could damn clean it up without them even knowing that was there.
Am I recording? I wasn't even recording that whole time.
Damn, cameraman sucks.
Oh, damn.
Fucking gave me the camera, telling me to hold them because you can't do it all. You can't even do that right. Y'all missed all that
I
shit.
made him hold the camera and didn't even have it on. Alright, y'all, well,
Here we are.
here we are. We got this tacked together. Now we're going to see something. I don't know. I guess y'all gonna see with us. Y'all gonna see what we gonna see. I guess right there. Looks like that spot.
Y'all ain't gonna see what we see. Shit.
Looks like it's gonna go right in there. Not the smartest man, but for my eyeballs, it looks like all we gotta do is line everything up and weld them on there, and then take the other bar off.
You'd be right.
What does yours look like? Is it gonna work? Is yours gonna work?
Looks like mine's
Do
built.
you hear me?
Looks like mine's built for this frame right here on this what it looks like to me.
Built for it.
Yeah. Alright, you take it out since this time you ain't had the camera rolling last time.
I hope it's rolling now.
It's rolling, it's blinking. Did you take this out with you?
I think I pulled a muscle.
I guess I'll pull it out with me.
I'll get it.
Nah, I
No,
got
I
it.
get it.
You get the camera. I don't want you to
You
hurt
want me to
your...
pull this up?
I don't want you to hurt your old self.
Alright, so let's weld this sap sucker up.
Put some booger wheels on it. A little
You went way the hell off. You got, damn.
You don't worry about how it's welded.
That's a damn good weld.
It is, ain't it?
That's a fucking weld right
I'm
there.
about proud of myself.
That's a
on
professional welder.
I might be failing it a little bit.
Wonder why you been bullshitting around, ain't you? Damn.
I don't know where that one went.
That looks like a dinosaur.
I don't know where that come from. It just popped up there.
One thing I can say, you welded the shit out of it. They say you welded the shit out of it. You welded the shit out of it. Damn.
Oh, damn. That motherfucker hot done.
Action.
Here we are, y'all. We got it built. Now we about to put these in there. This slip one. I put this in there. Try not to paint it so much on the inside.
You built that where it can stand up by itself.
Yeah,
Right.
that's balanced.
We done a pretty good job on that.
That's
We made that straight. Right here on the wooden welding table. We done a hell of a job down here at Metal Soldiers.
welded and balanced all at the same time.
You cleaned it and then touched it with your hands.
Yeah. Whoever is.
Alright, well, let's head on over to the paint booth.
Spanker Shaker.
Banker Shaker.
Spanker Shaker 3000. This house of Chris.
You still blowing painting in the wind. It's blowing back on you.
That's all right.
It's blowing on me.
Yeah. Alright, let's go check the parade.
Can number 2. It's getting dark. You better hurry up. Can't really tell it on video. Oh, we got crooked again, y'all. It's crooked again, y'all. You're doing a good job. Can you see if you're missing any spots?
Not really.
I can't either.
Down here is paint shot. A little windy on sometimes on the wrong side.
There it is, right?
Yep.
Woo!
It's a good thumbnail.
Alright, y'all. There's the wishbone. There it is. It's like you bought it. It's like you paid $875 for it.
Almost.
What are you trying to do? What are you doing with this time? You didn't even do an outro yet, and you already moved this shit.
I thought we did your outro. Do your outro. They seen it. I'm getting the hell out of the way. I gotta move this table.
Alright, y'all. Evidently, we gonna work. We gonna keep working. That's it. That's it for this one. It's dark. We can't do nothing else. We're gonna clean up. Call it a video. Till next time. See you.
Till next time. See ya.
See you. See you.